What's up, everybody? Oh boy, just another beautiful day after work, let me tell you what. Oh yeah, freedom. It's a beautiful, like 88 degrees outside or something, just chilling like a villain. How are you guys doing? Oh, just like everybody to know that if you've seen me on Instagram and stuff, you'll know that I have like incredibly slow internet. Like a 7-minute video or something takes literally over 24 hours to upload. It's like stupid slow. But that will be changing soon. We're getting new internet. Merry Christmas. It's August. That car like doesn't even have an exhaust pipe. Oh, there it is. It's like way down there. It's so tiny. The exhaust on this bike is bigger. You grilling burgers over there, my dude? I'll take a burger, please. But anyway, yeah, we're getting new internets. It's going to be cool. It's going to be faster. And also, if I take the bike to school, it's not really going to matter because I'll be using internet there, whatever I get there to upload, which is literally I could go to a Starbucks and upload videos multiple times faster than my home internet right now. You see, I live out in the country, and when we first moved there, we didn't really have an option. Love that bike. And now that it's grown a little bit and other places can now give us internet, we're gonna switch to something else that provides us something that's not so stupidly, unfathomably, that was a weird word, slow, unfathomably bubbles.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills, but 50 for the taste on the bag. I don't really like it.
Oh, that'll get your blood rushing.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills.
But yeah, just wanted to update everybody, kind of let you know what my internet situation was. Because a lot of you don't know, but when it's that slow, I have to pick and choose what I upload. And like, if I want to upload something and get it out fast, I can't. Like, I have to wait at least till the next day to actually put it out, like, if I'm lucky. And with this, I'll be able to upload things like when I want to more, and I won't have to sacrifice my internet for the entire day trying to upload something. So that'll be nice. Might do more stuff with the car, upload smaller videos of it. But yeah, I'll still make moto vlogs. I actually have to take this in to get its service thing done. It's 7,500 mile service. So I'll be doing that soon. I don't know when. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I'm like debating whether I should go by and talk to them now or just call them later. I'll just call them later. 2 for 4 sausage and eggs. Red burrito. I'm just reading things now. Forgive me. We have Watkins products. I don't know what that means, but I guess it good. I see you, old undercover cop car. Oh, I hate going super slow. I'm behind a school bus. Oh yeah, school started, so that's a thing now. Luckily, I get off work like right before school lets out, so I don't really have to deal with school traffic very much. But still, I get these school buses that are like headed to the schools to go pick people up, and they still drive super slow. It's a struggle. Struggle bus. I made a joke, sort of. But I'm thankful it's my last semester at college, and then I'll be finding a job, I guess, doing adult stuffs. Is that a Maserati? Hi, buddy! Voice got so high-pitched there, that kind of hurt. MD Pools. Their license plate says MD Pools. I'm going to assume that stands for Muddy Pools because you suck! This is a conversation I had earlier. Do you guys know that commercial where it's like, oh, it's just not right, and it has like a dude in a shower, but the shower walls and stuff are all carpet? And it's like, when you first look at it, it's like, ew. But I was thinking about it, and I was like, I'm trying to imagine like warm carpet that like you're in a shower. I feel like it would kind of be comfortable. Like, obviously, if you're just laying down on moist carpet, that's not pleasant. But like if you're in the shower and all the walls are carpeted and it's just like warm and kind of comforting, like I don't know. I feel like that really wouldn't be that bad. Like, obviously, it's a one-time thing. Like, I don't want to deal with that mold and stuff later, but oh, I didn't tell him what's up, dude. Now I feel bad. No, curse you, red light. Disastrous. Look, man, no hands. Okay, I'm gonna put my hands on now. It's dangerous. It's just because I got a downshift. Oogly boogly. Every time I wear my backpack on the bike, I always get like this random thought that's like, what if you didn't zip it and everything you had in there, including your wallet, is now somewhere on the road behind you? And I'm like, thanks, brain, for the anxiety. I'm trying to enjoy writing, and it's all like, what if you forgot? And I'm like, it's too late now. I don't even want to check. I'm too scared. I'm just gonna accept my losses. There are so many cops out today, man. Ew. Oh, it smells terrible. What died right there? Your mom? Why are we going so slow? Oh, we're braking now. Is that what we're doing? Really? I hate all of you. Here's a joke. What kind of bees make milk? None of them, you idiots! I like anti-jokes. Look at that. Look at that tree down on that power line. That's been like there for like, I don't know what I just said. That's been like that there for 2 weeks or something. I don't know. It needs to be fixed though. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. I'm not going to waste any more of your time, so hit that like button if you made it all the way to the end of the video and leave a comment down below. And I will catch you guys next time. Always remember, don't brake for no reason or I'll kill your family. What's on it? Careful not to get too close to the speed limit. You might hurt yourself. Subaru Outback, more like I'm gonna take you out back and shoot you. Oh, that wasn't funny, Danger. It's not funny. It's not a joke. It's what's gonna happen.